Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be working with words that have prefixes. The prefixes re and un. So our focus is really going to be on locating our base word first and also being able to understand what the words mean, what re means and what un means as a prefix when it's added on to the front of a word. So let's go ahead and read through the words first. We're going to start here with rebuild. Let me get my pen here. Rebuild, unbeaten, refill, remodel, unhappy, retell, unfair, reptile. Then we have unable, recycle, unselfish, retrace, unkind, review, uneven, unequal. Then we have recopy, uncertain, reuse, uncle, retake, unusual, rewrite, and unsteady. So let's go ahead and talk about our first prefix, re. Re means to do something over again. So when we look at our headers, we're going to locate our base word. I'll do that in green here. Here's our base word, build. So to rebuild means to build something again. The sorting will be very easy this week because you'll be able to see the prefix easily. Let's look at our next header. We have un. And un means not. So we'll locate our base word and our bolded word here, able. So when we say unable, it means you are not able to do something. We do have some oddballs this week. Our first oddball, taking a peek here, I'm going to switch over to highlighter. We have this word all the way down at the bottom of our first column, reptile. Now, you see the RE on the front of this word, but if we are talking about locating the base word, PTILE, that is not a word. So this is not to do something again. A reptile is obviously a type of creature. So even though it starts with RE, it is not using RE as a prefix. We also have the word uncle. Again, I'm going to underline the letters other than UN. There's uncle. CLE is not a base word. So uncle would be an oddball as well, because the UN in this case does not mean not, and it is not being used as a prefix. So look carefully at those base words. If you want to underline the base words, as I have done so, that would be a really good strategy. But you can go ahead and start your sorting. If there's any words that you are unsure the meaning of, please raise your hand and a teacher can help you. All right, happy sorting.